Edge Cobra Flight Tutorial, Mode 1. Take off. Enter a Edge Cobra by executing a 1/4 roll from a standard Cobra stance. Adjust ailerons to maintain wings perpendicular to the ground. Use elevator for heading control, and apply rudder to sustain high-angle love attack flight. Transition to Inverted Edge Cobra. Focus on precise throttle and control surface coordination to maintain the aircraft at stall critical state. Inverted Edge Cobra requires dedicated practice. Thanks for watching.